So hey guys, welcome back to How to Tech Nerd, and today we are gonna see that how can you create an Instagram account in your desktop like PC, laptop, etc. So for creating Instagram account in your laptop, you should first open your web browser and search for Instagram, and it will be better if you use Chrome because Chrome is fast, reliable, secure, and from Google only, so it's good to use Chrome browser. And you have to search for Instagram, and you can also search for Instagram.com. So after searching for, if you don't search for Instagram.com and only Instagram, then you will come to this page, and here you have to click on Instagram. So don't scared that you didn't reach on this page. Just search for Instagram and then Instagram.com, and here you have to fill this form, but you will not, because this is a login form and you don't have an Instagram account, so you can't log in. You have to first sign up from here, and here you have to fill the information. If you want to connect your Instagram account with Facebook, you could do login with Facebook also, and Instagram will take information from Facebook, and you don't have to fill all this information, and with Facebook linked Instagram account will be created. So I don't want to link my Instagram Facebook accounts, I'm going to separate, so I will fill this information. So let's start. So here you have to fill your information like mobile number or email. So it will be better if you fill mobile number. No, email, it's good, you can fill anything if you want, anything you want. So let's start. So I have put as my email address because I want to sign up with my email address, and here you have to put your name. Here I have given name. It's not important to fill your own name, you could write any name, your business name, anything. And here a username which you want as your Instagram username, you should put that username, but keep in mind that Gmail ID and username are as same, because you can only have one account with one unique username, so you can't repeat any username, and if it's taken you can't sign up with that. You have to select another one to sign up. Put here's a username. Let's check it out if it's available or not. Yes, it is available. If I put something else like The Rock, which is already taken by Dwayne Johnson, so it will not be available and you won't be able to sign up. So you have to put an username which is not being used, and then only you can sign up. So this one's available, and here you have to put the password which you want. It's your choice, but I will advise you to put a strong password so your account will be secured and safe. So for strong password, so for putting a strong password, I have a tool called Password Gen which generates strong passwords. You can see it here, Password Gen. It's an website, it's an app, but I have its source code, so I'm using it at website. It's an app, Password Gen, on Play Store. So you can check it out if you want to. So it's the length. Here you can set the length for your password, like if it's 4, so it will generate a 4-digit password including symbol. If I remove symbol, then there will be no symbol, as you can see. So I want everything, and a minimum of 13 digits password. So yeah, it's pretty strong. I will copy this. Okay, this is copied, and now I will paste it here in the password, like show. As you can see, it's the same password and no one can crack it, so it's better to use this kind of generators, Password Gen. So I will sign up from here, and here you have to enter your birthday. Yes, you have to enter, you can't skip this. And you could write like any of it's not important to give your own birthday, but if you are creating an account for yourself, you should put your own birthday, it will be better. And your, let's put 1998 and click on next. And here you have to put the code which came on your email address which you have put it. So you should have that email address, and keep in mind that you should put correct mail address, otherwise you won't be receiving this code. So here I got my code, Instagram code, which is 91. Okay, let's copy this, copy and paste it here and click on next. and here you see my Instagram account has been created, and it's so easy to create it Instagram account. And here it's a notification. If you want your notification to come on laptop, desktop, so you can turn on. I don't want any notification. And here you can see the options and the buttons. Here it's a home. Whenever you follow someone, like I follow Cristiano here, and refresh this page, I will see the posts from Cristiano. Look, I only follow one, and that's why I will see only posts from Cristiano. If I will follow more, I will get more posts. So here is my account, and you can just tap on it and you will be on your profile, which is this. And here I am following one, as you can see. And like this you can create your Instagram account on desktop. It is so easy and so nice to create your Instagram account. And if you want to know more about, I will tell you in another video where you can customize your full Instagram account in laptop and your desktop. So this is how you create your Instagram account in desktop. So if you find this video good, then please like it, and if you are new on channel, then please subscribe our channel, which is How to Tech Nut, which is this, How to Tech Nurse. This is our channel, and like I have no post, 0 followers, I know that, but this is my channel, so please subscribe. Like this is my channel. Whoa, I got 1 follower request. Who is it? I don't know. I'll check it out later. This is my YouTube channel, and here you can see that I have video, and this is my channel, so please subscribe it. And until then, tata, bye bye, take care, see you in next video.